Hey, we are on the Yachats farm tour. Yachats River farm tour?
Yeah.
We've been there, we've done it a few times. There's like 5 or 6 farms and they all have like different specialties that we're gonna go check out. And, oh yeah, go ahead. And we're just gonna, this one is a succulent farm, and then there's like an alpaca farm, I think, or peacock or something. Is that this one?
Alpaca
Yeah.
and
And then there's this really cute flower farm that sells aprons and a couple others that we haven't been to. Check them out. It'll be fun.
Carry on.
This looks like their production and propagation greenhouse. Super cool.
out of Roanoke. I caught a trucker out of Philly, had a nice long tow.
It's cute. Taller. If we did something like that. Extra production area.
You don't gotta sit in that,
Just
man.
so beautiful. Dahlias are just amazing. It's gorgeous. It's not a headstone, it's a water feature.
Okay.
You could use it for a headstone if you want. We ended up with a Cheyenne Spirit Echinacea and a Prairie Blue Eyes Daylily. And that ends our tour of the Yachats farm tours. I hope that you had fun. We did, walking around, checking out people's different farms, and just seeing what people are up to, getting out in the community, supporting our local farmers. I have a plane flying over. I hope that you get a chance to go out and find your local farmers, see if they have any events going on, go to their events. Sometimes they have like live music or special open days, all those kinds of things. Are super fun to go out to your farmer's farm, see how they live, see their practices, and know where your food comes from, know where your products are coming from, and just commune with the people that you want to support. Until the next time, make sure you like and subscribe, and we will see you in the next video. Keep celebrating life.